I'm Ken Coyne. I'm the manager here at Bellinger's Orchards. We grow 41 different varieties of apples, peaches and pears and cherries. I love the area. I love the fact I can see for miles in both directions. I love the wide open spaces. It's relaxing. Bellinger's Orchards originally started out 220 years ago, I believe, with the Winnie family. It progressed into the Bellinger family, so it's been in the same family for 5 generations now. Originally we're a dairy farm, and then we sold off the dairies back in 1990 and progressed into the apple orchard. We've got a number of families here that have 3+ generations that have been coming. And it's nice to see the families come back year after year and see the kids grow from this to this.